Hello from the Bureau of Meteorology. Overnight, ex-tropical cyclone Debbie was downgraded to a tropical low while tracking southwards over the Central Coast and Whitsundays and Central Highlands and Coldfields districts. But while the system's no longer of cyclone strength, the threats haven't yet passed. And warnings associated with ex-tropical cyclone Debbie will now be covered by severe weather warnings, and we have one for damaging winds and heavy rainfall. So what are we seeing at the moment? Well, we've been seeing damaging winds with peak gusts around 100 kilometres per hour this morning, and they're expected to extend slowly south today as ex-tropical cyclone Debbie takes a turn towards the south-southeast. And into Thursday and even Friday, the threat will extend down as far as parts of northern New South Wales. But the threat in New South Wales is not just from ex-tropical cyclone Debbie, it's also from a very strong cold front that'll move across the state on Thursday, and we can see the strong southerly winds behind that cold front here. So together, these two systems may bring damaging winds and dangerous surf conditions. And to cover the upcoming severe weather, the warning now extends down through parts of southeast Queensland and into New South Wales. Now coming back to that heavy rainfall. Areas of heavy rain are expected to continue about the Central Coast and Whitsundays, Central Highlands and Coldfields districts today, with widespread daily rainfall totals of 150 to 250 millimetres possible. But significantly higher localised falls are also possible. And this rainfall is likely to be very intense at times, leading to a risk of localised flash flooding. And with so much rain falling, we already have flood warnings for catchments about the Central Coast and also the adjacent inland parts. And the focus of the heavy rain then shifts south during Thursday and Friday, with further rainfall daily totals around 200 millimetres possible. And the rainfall is likely to lead to major river flooding over a very broad area this week. So we do have a flood watch extending all the way from Ayr down to around Coffs Harbour in New South Wales, and just extending inland as well. And this flood watch provides early advice for possible future flooding along all these rivers and creeks. So even though the cyclone has been downgraded to a tropical low, the dangers of this system are far from over. Stay up to date with all the latest forecast and warning information from the Bureau's website and app, and please continue to follow advice from local emergency services.